Guys, welcome to my video on how to buy Bitcoin in the UK, US or other key markets without paying any commission, no fees, and you're able to do it seamlessly using my preferred platform, which is eToro, which you can see here. This page you're looking at now is actually the page for the eToro wallet. And this is going to be another key part of this short video, which is going to enable you to store and secure your Bitcoin safely and of course very, very easily and for free. But first of all, guys, let's focus here on getting an eToro account. So the first thing you need to do is obviously sign up. You can use my link, which you'll see in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so I'll earn a small commission should you sign up, and that would be obviously much appreciated for supporting the channel. One thing I am doing right now throughout the whole December, if you sign up through my link, obviously it doesn't cost you anything, but as an added bit of value, I'm going to give everybody who signs up through my link a 15 to 20 minute one-on-one private session to cover your own investment strategies and to cover your objectives. You can use that time to dedicate it to crypto or any other investment related topic, but of course I'm happy to spend that time to walk you through the platform. All you simply need to do is sign up through that affiliate link. DM me via Instagram. I'm at Marzo_money. Again, it will be in the link, and just show me a screenshot that you signed up through my link, and I'm more than happy to dedicate a 15 to 20 minute live one-on-one session to help you through that. But back to the video. So you obviously sign up for your account. You're going to see a page like this when you click my link. 100% stock, 0% commission. And just to talk you through some of the key highlights here. So obviously you can trade stocks, all the main things like Nike, Facebook. How to buy stocks without paying commission. So you'll need to deposit $200. That's the minimum amount. The great thing about eToro, apart from it being absolutely free, commission free, no fees, you can actually buy fractional shares. So you might have seen stocks like Apple, Amazon are very expensive. Well, you don't have to buy a whole share. You can buy as little as $10, £10 worth of their stock. So you can buy fractional shares. Again, there's no cost to doing this. That's why I love eToro. The other great thing is you can use their charts, which are really easy to use, really easy to understand. Again, if you sign up through my link, I'm happy to talk through all of that in a one-on-one session to guide you through that process. eToro is a regulated platform. You can see here that they're trusted by millions of users worldwide. You can't go wrong with using eToro. I've been using them for a long time. Very safe, very secure, very sleek platform interface, whether you're using them on desktop or on the app. Both very, very good platforms. So once you've signed up, you're going to have a page that looks like this, and I've actually got rid of all the funds in my account to show you through this demonstration, because I do use another broker as well, but for anything crypto related or stocks, particularly in the US, I'm using eToro. So what you simply would need to do is go and deposit your funds here, and you can see here, guys, this was my card obviously I've used prior, but you can use a credit or debit card, you can use PayPal, you can use Skrill, for example, and there's a few other options. So it's super easy to deposit, and you can get started straight away. Once you deposit, if you are wanting to trade Bitcoin, how easy is this? All you need to do is put Bitcoin in, or BTC if you like, which is the ticker you could say for Bitcoin, and you get a trade button here which you can simply go on. What you want to do, guys, to buy the actual Bitcoin underlying asset is make sure that leverage is only on one. If you put it on two, you're going into like what they call a CFD trade, trading contracts, and that can incur commission. So I don't recommend doing that unless you're very experienced. But to buy Bitcoin, no fees, no commission, you can just press ×1. You can buy as little as $25 worth, and of course you can do it by units. If you wanted to buy one Bitcoin, one whole Bitcoin, you can see that the current price is $19,277 at time of recording. But it's easy to just put in the amount that you want. Let's say you wanted to buy $500 worth, and you can just simply purchase your crypto by pressing deposit now, and that's how you put the money in your account. Once again, if you do use my link to support the channel, I'm happy to give anyone that uses that link a one-on-one 15-20 minute, and we can cover your own personal goals of what you want to do in your investment portfolio. We can cover questions surrounding cryptocurrencies, other stocks, I can tell you what I'm buying and selling right now. And please do check out all my other content on my channel and make sure to subscribe. And if you're enjoying this video, if you found value, hit the like button. Just before I end things up, I'm going to show you how to use the wallet. So you've bought your Bitcoin or your Ethereum. You can buy other cryptocurrencies through eToro as well. And you can use this platform, this app, you can download it for free, and you're able to use that to store your cryptocurrency safely. You can also transfer it into other cryptocurrencies and obviously back into fiat currency. Fiat is your pound or dollars or euros, for example. Really easy to use. It's the safest way out there. It's the cheapest way out there. No commission, no fees or anything like that. So again, hope you found it valuable. If you use the link below in my description, you can sign up for it there. Give me a message over Instagram and I'm happy to give you that one-on-one session as well as some added value. Hope that's useful, guys. Remember to smash the like button once again, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.